everyone, as you know, my name is Riban and I am very happy to let you into my program 10 Minutes with Riban. Today we're going to be doing test 2, so let's dive in. So, today we're going to be doing test 2, which is calculations. So let's do number 1. There are 150 buttons in the box. 24 children take 3 buttons each. How many buttons are left in the box? Show your method. So we have to show our method. This is how we do it, guys. If you don't know, watch how I do it. So we know that you have to show a method. And so we must first work out how many buttons do all the children take. So 24 children take 3 buttons each. So that means 24 times 3, which is 72. So 24 times 3 is 72. Okay. If we do again 150 take away 72, because there are 150 buttons in the box, and the last question is, how many buttons are left in the box? That means we must do 150 take away 72. What's the answer? It's 107, not 178, 78. So that means our answer is 78 buttons. Okay, number 2. We must tick the correct calculation. Look, let's read the question. Tick the 2 calculations that are correct. So let's work the first one out. We know the first one's incorrect, totally, because when you're timesing a number, it has to grow bigger, but this one's getting smaller, so that's not correct. 703 times 2 is the other one, so 1406 is correct. Let's do the last pair. 82 times 6. I think it's 492 because it can't be 4,812 because it's two-digit number times 1-digit number. It certainly is a 3-digit, but sometimes it can grow into, let me think. Yes, sometimes it can, maybe not. Anyways, so that's why I think this 82 times 6 is 492. Anyways, a football team needs £465, 00, I'll tell you why, to buy a new kit. They raise £52, 45 pence by holding a cake sale. How much more money do they need to raise? So this question, when they need to say more, is actually subtracting. So we need to subtract 465.00 because if we know that the second number is a 4-digit with 2 decimal places, we'll have to add 2 decimal places. So 45, how much do you need it to get to 100? Because 100 p's are £1. 55. So let's start off like that. But it's 00, so it needs help. So that means take off the 5 from 465 to make it 4. So 464 take away 52. 4 take away 2 is 2. Then if we do 6 take away 5 is 1. Then we have 4 because we don't take anything away, to be certain. So it's 412.55 pounds. Write the 2 missing digits to make this addition correct. This is number 4, by the way. Let's zoom in. Okay. So we know that you can't subtract a number because it's adding. So if we add 9 plus 2, that gives us 11. And what's the units? 1. So let's put 2. You can't be sure, but anyways. Let's put 8, guys, right? No, it's incorrect. Because what was the last one? They had the 10th digit. And something plus 2 plus 1 is 0. It's 10. And 2 plus 1 is 3 to make 10. So it's 7. So the answer is 7. Guys, we're on the next page. Complete the following statements. The first one has been done for you. 4 is a multiple of 2 because 2 times 2 is 4. And it's a factor of 8 because 4 times 2 is 8. So it doesn't have to times each other, but it has to make sense. So a multiple is when that number that is not the multiple but the factor can be times by any number to get that multiple, if it makes sense. So 2 times 2 is 4. And it's a factor. What did I explain? A factor is a thing that you can times. Like 2 is the factor of 4, and so 4 is the factor of 8, because 4 times 2 is 8. So 12 is a multiple of what? Let's say 3, 4, 2, 6, lots. So what can we put? I'm going to put 6, but you can also put 3, 4, 2. But you can't. Wait, you can put 12. Or 1. It depends on what you think. Anyways. So okay, what is a multiple of 7? We could do 77 times 9, but 63, we can do times 2, which is 126. Okay, let's do 63, and there's a factor of 126, yeah. Okay, let's do number 6. Write each number in its correct place on the diagram. 1 has been done for you. Okay, we know 4 is eliminated, so 2 can go to numbers? No. Can 2 go into square numbers? No. So that means 2 is on the side. Okay, let's do 8. 8 is a cubed number, but not a squared number. 64. What do you guys think? Is it squared number or cubed number? Well, it's actually both, because squared number is 8 cubed. But if it's also a cube number, it's 4 cubed. Okay. We must circle the 2 numbers that are not prime numbers. So 17, can you divide by 2, 3, 5, 7? No. 19? No. 21? Yes. 7 and 3. So is this one. So okay. And what do you think? 23? Nah. 39? Yes, because it can divide by 3. Okay. Anyways. Last one, guys. So, Leela sorts 619 beads into containers of 20. Not 20. And each container can hold 20 beads. So, we need 619 divided by 20. What is that? Let's work it out. So, 619 divided by 20. We know that it will have a remainder of 19. So, it's 19. Or else if we added another remainder, it would be 31. Which means that it might be 30. So, and that one is 30. Yes? Alright, let's check. Okay. The end. I hope you've enjoyed this program, Test 2, and so learn every day a minimum of 10 minutes. And I'll see you all next weekend. Bye!